Hi again, this is Doug Williams with Viva Las Vegas Autos and A Car's Life, bringing in another fantastic vehicle. I don't think this car needs too many introductions other than to tell you that it's a Factory 5 Racing Cobra and it's a 347 Mark IV. And this thing is brand new, basically. It was built, never really driven. It's got 300 miles on it. Those are test driving miles, and probably some of those miles were put on when it was still just in kart form with no body on it. But I've driven it. I think it came here with 290, I think it was, when I got it, and the only miles I've put on is during this video. But I'll tell you, these cars are straight dopamine. They're straight thrill. They're straight sexy, beautiful, fantastic. And I'll tell you, this vehicle was built right. As you'll see in the other videos, it was built in Dave's garage, and Dave Cutler had done an incredible job with this. The paint and body that he mentions in his video did a great job on this vehicle. Every little thing shows detail. And when you see the receipts and the paperwork that comes with this car, we have every ounce of paperwork with this vehicle. That's incredible. All the work that he did, all the things that he put into it, all the list, the way that everything that comes from Factory 5 Racing is still with the car, so that all goes with it. And this car is all thrills. I'm telling you, it's powerful. You'll notice in the paperwork I've got a dyno sheet. This thing is right up to around 500 horsepower. And as you know, with these things, they don't weigh much. That's all thrill. This is the third one I've owned over the years. Well, I don't own this one, it's consignment, but this is the third one I've had. And the last one I had was a 427 side oiler, all aluminum Genesis motor. This one has the Blueprint 347 in it with fuel injection. I'll tell you, this vehicle here, comparatively to the one that I had in the past, feels manageable. It feels like it can be driven with ease if you want, but with 500 horsepower, if you want to get into it, it rocks. It gets out there and moves, and gives you the same thrill that mine did. I used to say that I didn't want to keep mine because I was either going to get arrested or put in the morgue. So I'll tell you, these things are not to be toyed with by any means, but they are fun to drive, and everybody thumbs ups them. They're just an incredibly beautiful vehicle, the way the design is and everything like that. And this one is every bit that, especially with that color on it. It's just absolutely beautiful with the black leather interior. So let's walk around this real quick. We'll take it for a spin. And you can just see that every square inch of this thing is like new, because it pretty much is. 300 miles, Hillebrand wheels, big brakes. We have a, you'll look in the pictures that we have a host of parts that come with this vehicle. He has the sleeves for the exhaust there so you don't burn yourself. But looks wise, I think it detracts from it. You'll see a bunch of little things that are in there that go with the vehicle. They won't fit in the vehicle because they're in a great big box container, but I'm sure that when the transportation comes, or if you drive this thing home, you're gonna have to figure out how to get it shipped. But in this car, just beautiful, and they are so much fun to drive. Nothing thrills me like the way these cars drive. They're just stunning to get out on the road. Let's open up the surprise under the hood. It is beautifully well done. See that, all the workmanship that's in that department. It's just pretty. He had a list of extras that went into this car. And you'll see that broken down. You'll see that on the stuff that we have. It's just, he didn't just buy a base kit. He paid to have a lot of extras into this car. How I got this car came out of Chicago. Recently, you'll notice that I had a 1964 Jaguar XKE convertible, Series 1, 3.8 liter. And he bought that vehicle for me. It didn't reach the reserve on Bring a Trailer, but we made a deal offline. And then he told me he was going to have to sell this thing. And I said, well, let's ship it out. So this car hailed all the way from Chicago, is where he lived. And he brought it to me so I could properly market this vehicle. And that's what we hope you are able to see. Because this car is all that in a bag of chips, and a bag of horsepower, quite frankly. So let's take it for a spin. I had to mount the camera a little bit differently on this one because I can't hold it like I usually do and drive at the same time. So you're going to be sitting behind me on this one. And hopefully the camera will stay attached. You can hear the fuel injection, the fan start up. The Shelby hat, pretty cool, comes with the car. Let's go for a spin. When you get in one of these, you realize that it's very powerful. It wants to go, and you have to have a lot of self-control. So if you don't, it's going to take it from you. Oh boy, is it fun to drive. Especially on a beautiful day like today. Five-speed manual Tremec transmission. Today I've been doing the video and hasn't gone over 80 in the temperature. The cooling's spot on. And she is fun. not much for words. It's all action. Whenever I put a vehicle on Bring a Trailer, I like to be available for comments and questions. I always try to answer most of those questions in my presentation. And hopefully the presentation will do that. But this test drive, I don't care how many times you drive a car like this, it just makes you want to giggle and laugh. It just feels like so much power underneath your foot and in your hands, and it's a lot of fun. Well worth the price of admission, let's say. So if you have any questions, feel free to call. I'll be happy to answer. Feel free to contact me direct through email or through the Bring a Trailer auction. And I'll do the best I can to find out the answers for you if there is any questions. But I look forward to meeting the next new owner, because this car is well sorted out and absolutely a blast. See you again. It's Doug Williams, Viva Las Vegas Autos.